it going, guys? I'm Rose. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 7 tips to going vegan. Now, I know a lot of you guys aren't actually vegan, and a lot of you guys actually want to become vegan and are always asking me about different tips and tricks and how I went about going vegan. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you these 7 tips that'll help you go vegan if that's what you like. Tip number 1 is get inspired. Follow your favorite vegan influencers, watch documentaries, go onto Pinterest and pin all sorts of vegan things that inspire you. And if you find yourself doubting yourself on your decision on why you became vegan, just go back to the inspiration that made you want to go vegan in the first place, and that'll help you continue on in your journey. Tip number 2, substitute foods. Find vegan substitutes for your non-vegan favorites to keep you on track as you transition. Eating foods that are familiar to you before you went vegan will help your palate adjust and will keep you on track. And then further into your vegan journey, you can transition into a more whole foods diet, which is the healthier option. Number 3, larger portions. When on a vegan diet, it's very important to get all of your whole foods. And by whole foods, I mean grains, nuts, legumes, fruits, veggies, seeds, all the good stuff. And it's also important to not limit yourself. Don't do too much portion controlling as you would have before you went vegan. So listen to your body, and if you're hungry, eat. You can eat larger portions of whole foods, and in fact, it's actually encouraged to eat larger portions when you're on a vegan diet. That way you can get all of your nutrients. Number 4 is go at your own pace. Just because someone else decided to go vegan overnight and it worked out for them, doesn't mean it would work out for you. Whatever pace feels most comfortable for you, whether that's giving up dairy first or giving up all meats first, go at your own pace. Whatever feels the most comfortable to you is what's gonna give you the best success in the end. So don't think about other people and how they are doing their journey. Your journey is your own, so stick to your own pace and what feels best. Number 5 is change your mentality. And by that I mean lots of people assume that vegan food and eating vegan is very expensive. And it can be, but that's if you buy a lot of the specialty items like the vegan meats and the prepared meals and the cheeses and like special like berries and all that kind of stuff like that. So if you do buy a lot of that, a lot of the specialty items, it would become expensive. However, buying simple whole foods is actually way less expensive than buying a non-vegan diet grocery list. So yes, both statements can be true. It can be expensive to eat vegan, and it also could be very inexpensive. So it just depends which route you take. Number 6 is make a shopping list. And in the beginning, especially for me in my vegan journey, making a shopping list was one of the most helpful things. Because when I made that shopping list, I knew that everything in that shopping list was already vegan because I had already visited the supermarket, and I knew that those specific items were vegan. To save yourself on stress and confusion, and it'll also keep overspending at bay. If you guys would like to see a essentials pantry list or my personal essentials pantry list, check out the link down below. It'll actually be available November 1st when my new website launches. So I'm guessing the day that I post this video, it'll be tomorrow, but chances are you're watching this already past November 1st, and you can check out the link below. And last but not least, this is a big one, is stretching your buck, because like I said, not everyone wants to spend an arm and a leg on grocery shopping. So the way that I like to stretch my buck is, again, by limiting those specialty items. And I also do a couple different trips when I grocery shop. So I don't get all of my groceries in one place, just because I know that prices for certain things would be less expensive at different places. For example, I go to my local farmer's market to get all of my produce, and it comes out super cheap. And then I also go to Aldi's to get my packaged pantry goods. And then I also go to another local supermarket to get any specialty vegan items that I might be interested in. And making those 3 trips 2 times a month saves a lot. So if you guys have a local farmer's market, I definitely suggest you guys checking them out, because prices are always cheaper at your farmer's market compared to any local supermarket. Also, there is a written version of these tips down below, linked into my blog. Again, it'll be available November 1st for you guys to check out the written blog and also the essentials pantry list. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.